There's a saying, a picture says 1,000 words, and I think that is really true when it comes to journaling. Especially in my planner, I sometimes don't have a lot of time to sit down and write a lot. I don't know, when I write a lot, I just feel like my hands get so cramped and get so tired, so I can't really write a lot in one single page. That's why the E6 works really well. One of my tips in my previous video about journaling is that using pictures is another great tip to journal in your planner. And so here you can see that this is one of my Japan trip and I use a lot of pictures. They are size relatively pretty small, and the only reason why it's small is because, as you know, sticker paper are not cheap. It can add up in terms of cost, so it's costly. For me, for example, I like to save as much money as possible, and I'll help you save money too as well. Walk through step by step how you can save every bits of one sheet of sticker paper so you can use in all your spread. I have talked about this portable photo printer. This is a Canon 5e, I believe, and I'll link it in the description below, and I'll give you the exact model so you can get it if you like. I would say the color when you print it out is not as, not the best. It's okay. The color is slightly different from your phone, but the fun part is that you can adjust the saturation, colors, contrast within the app. But without doing that, it's a little grayed out. I would say this is just like affordable, not the best photo printer, but I still use it because it's so portable and so easy to use. Paper wise, in terms of cost, I'll post it somewhere in the video to show you how much it costs. To start, when you download the app, you have this app right here. I'm gonna screen record this screen because I'm not sure if you can see on the screen. When you open the app, this is what it looks like. You don't have to log in, you don't have to create any of those accounts. I don't know about you, but this is way too many accounts, so I don't have a login. So I would click on collage. The best part here is that there is tons of like templates you can use to insert your images. You can do it horizontal size, you can do vertical, like a very long one, but for me, I want to be every single stickers to be exact same size and try to maximize as much as the space of the sticker sheet. If I show you as an example, the sheet is not that big, guys. It's not that big, so you can imagine that, it's not that big. It's like almost like a size of my palm. What you do is you want to select 6, but if you want your picture to be slightly larger, you want to choose 4. It'll give you more space vertically. The pictures I have right now in my planner is size 6, and that will fit very nicely in your Hobonichi weeks and your Hobonichi, like all your planners Hobonichi. So choose 6, and then you choose the top left corner is equally size of square. All right, so once you selected all your pictures, you can click on the bottom left corner. There is a adjust button, and you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation. I haven't decided which setting is the best to print your pictures yet, so I'm just gonna move every single dial possible. Color balance, just gonna leave like that. So once you have all your pictures selected, you want to turn on your printer by holding this button, the power button. It'll be flashing green and it should be connected. You can see that it is flashing white at first. It's a way to show you that it's trying to connect Bluetooth to your phone. Once it's solid white, you go back to your phone and you will click on the print button on the top right corner. It's a circle icon with the printer and the sheet coming out. So you click on that once to print one sheet. But if you want multiple the same sheet, you can also press your quantity by tapping on the plus button to increase your quantity of print. I just want 1, so I just leave it as 1. And once you press 1, you press the print, it will make sure you don't leave this app because it's loading So once you leave it, it'll disrupt your printing. So you have to have your phone open at all times. So you can't multitask, like, you know, playing with your social media or the other stuff. So once it's loading, just leave it there on the table and you'll see it'll slowly thinking and slowly printing. You see that it is flashing. Ooh la la, it's printing right now. Look at it. Alright, once it's printed, you don't need to worry about like letting it to dry. It's automatically re-dried. Voila, this is the sheet. And then the next step is you want to use a scissor and cut out your stickers and you paste it in your planner. I know some of you have asked me, do these sticker sheet fit perfectly in your weeks in the monthly? But let's take a look. I think if it doesn't fit, you can also adjust different sizing of your sticker. So let's go ahead and cut a few and then let's open our weeks and see if it fits in the monthly page. Let's bring our Hobonichi weeks. So as you can see, it does not fit because of the square is a little bit too wide. However, the height is perfect. So what you can do is that you have to keep in mind that it might be too big, so you can trim it off. Definitely will work. If you really want to, you can. So hope that helps for those who are wondering if the sheet does print in does the sheet fits in the monthly spread. It can, but I would say no. The answer is no. You will have to adjust your picture or you have to manually cut it around to fit. Yeah, but I think that's good enough. The height is pretty good, I would say, but the pictures might not fit the weekly spread. You can see here it is a little too high, so you might have to trim the bottom. But if you stick this anywhere else in the notes section, it's fine, because obviously there's a lot of space in the notes section, so it's fine. I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any question. I'll link the exact model that I use for this printer, and and also the sticker sheets that I use. And thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like stationery. I'll see you next time, planner friends. Bye.